Prithviraj from DKT Textile and Engineering Institute Ichalkaranji, and I am from CSA department.
My name is Shreyas Mohite. I am from DKT Ichalkaranji. I am studying in third year of Computer Science and Engineering.
My name is Neeraj Mirashi. Currently I am pursuing BTech degree in CSE AI.
My name is Shubha Lat. I am from DKT's Textile and Engineering Institute, and currently I am in third year in CSE AI department.
The interesting aspect about this implementation is FPGA itself. Before this, we don't idea about the FPGA. Is there any microcontroller like FPGA exist or not? But when we allocate the theme and got to know about the FPGA, after that, the interesting part is studying the FPGA, how to code the FPGA, what is the pin configuration of FPGA. All these are very interesting for us.
yantra created a huge impact on us. We learned time management, self-learning, thinking outside the box, and most important, teamwork.
Before yantra, I had no idea about how things works at hardware level. But after completing the task given by yantra team, I came to know that how things works at hardware level.
Till task 2, it's a pure coding part. So we all work together. But afterwards, we divided as a two people's works. Shubha and Shreyas take care of whole coding part, and me and Neeraj are take care of the whole hardware and its designing part. And also we help each other.
Part of FPGA was understanding the parallel processing of FPGA and synchronizing different modules within the thresholding values of ADC controller and finding the frequency of color sensor. As there is no debugging technique in quarters like serial terminal, we wrote a program for it which uses UART protocol to transmit the signal from FPGA to
Hardware configuration. Designing and assembling the ARM on the entire board with proper weight balance was a major task for us. Every day we faced new challenges, and whenever we were about to solve a problem, it itself created a new problem.
As per the task 6, which is the last task of the yantra robotics competition, here we have to implement the whole theme which is allocated at the starting. In previous tasks, we already know where is the waste present. But now in this task, the bot does not know where is the waste present. So bot should visit all the 9 cities and check either the waste is present or not using color sensor. When bot reaches to the city block number 1, it will detect there is the presence of garbage of hazardous waste. So it will pick using pick and place mechanism and also send the respective message using Zigbee protocol. Now the bot plan using Jistra's algorithm for the dumping area, and we already know for the hazardous waste the dumping area is node A. So bot plan the shortest distance between the city block number 1 and city block number A and follow the path. When bot reaches to the dumping area A, it will dump that waste and send the respective message, and in that dumping area A, it will calculate the next city block where he has to visit and follow the path, and the path is again generated by the Jistra's algorithm only. For line following, we are using the ADC control. The logic behind the ADC control is we are setting some threshold values for the black light. The line sensor gives the values, and if FPGA sees that values is below the threshold values or not, if it is, then it will send the signals to the motors and the taking the decision of turning left or turning right. Like this the ADC control works. At the city block number 9, the bot detects the wet waste and it will pick using mechanism and dump in the area, and for the dumping area it will calculate the path again. For the robotic arm, we use the servo motors, and for running the servo motors, we require the duty cycle frequency and the PWM, which will control the angle of the servo motor and also the speed of the servo motor. For sending the message, we are using the Zigbee module at both the sides, and for the Zigbee modules we are using the UART protocol to communicate between the bot and the external software. At the city block 8, it will detect the green waste, and the dumping area for the green waste is node B. I would also like to thank the team Yantra who gave us this opportunity. We learned a lot from you. Thank you so much once again, Team Yantra from the SB 1237. For the city block 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7, there is no garbage present. So bot should understand there is no garbage, and it will help using the color sensor. When the color sensor senses the white color, then the bot automatically gets that there is no garbage present. The logic behind the sensing the white color is a clear filter. We are using clear filter and use a threshold value. When the color sensor use a clear filter and when we get the values which is below the threshold value, then the bot automatically knows that there is a white color. Then bot just mark the tick visited at that city block and move towards the next city. For ending the task, bot should visit all the cities. When the bot visited the last city, either he has the garbage or not. When he has the garbage, he should go to the dump area, dump all the garbage and stop. And if it is don't having the garbage, then the bot should stop on the respective city only. For this task, only city block number 4 is remaining to visited. Hence, the bot is going from city block A to city block 4. And if in the city block 4 there is no garbage present and the task completed, hence the bot glow all the LED white.